Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So, this is the greatest of the great deals. If you follow me on Instagram or follow the community tab on my YouTube page, you know I posted about this yesterday afternoon. It is to get 5 Klondike donut flavored bars. It's an ice cream bar completely for free. What you have to do is open up your Fetch Rewards app, go to the Discoveries page, so that is on the bottom left-hand corner, and see if you might have the rebate. You can do it up to 5 times, and you can do it all in one transaction. Now, between yesterday and today, the rebate reset. However, in the new reset, you have to do it once per receipt. And this is what it looks like. It's 100% free. It says it's valid from the 5th to the 20th. I believe this one will get cleared very quickly. You have the choice of Boston cream, frosted strawberry, triple chocolate, and it has to have the word donut on the box, so please pay attention. So yesterday I went to Walmart, and all the stores that are participating is listed in the subtext at the bottom of the Discoveries page. Please take a second to read through it. And as you could see, like, I bought all 5 of them, and then I paid like $16.35, and then I got $16.50 back. So even small money maker for me, 15 cents. But to get all this for free, filling up the new freezer I got, and there's nothing better than this. And my husband had one yesterday, and he's like, oh my gosh, these are really good. So what a nice little Labor Day treat for us. And then just to show you, like, a lot of you were like, where do I find this? So you know where the ice cream aisle is at Walmart? If you go and go to the ice cream bar section, boom, there it is. And Boston cream, and then the chocolates were below, but my husband really loves a Boston cream donut, so that's the one that I picked up. But like, how fantastic is that? If you are new to the Fetch Rewards app or never heard of this, sign up today. Link in the notes. Use my code, top left hand side there on the screen, or it's in the notes. And when you submit your first receipt, it could be an Egg McMuffin that you bought this morning or a pack of gum you bought last week at Walgreens. You're going to be given 2,000 points or $2. Gift cards start at $3. So if you're a couponer and have some receipts, photograph a bunch of them and you will be in business for a gift card this afternoon. So it is a tremendous app. And when they have these freebies, I mean, we haven't seen one this big since last December, and I'm all over them because I love this app. So if you've never heard of this app, sign up today. It is your lucky day, and use my referral code right at the top of the screen for an extra $2 when you submit your first receipt. Another little money maker over at Walmart, these single cans of AHA, you find them where the carbonated beverages on an end cap is, in that section. They're $1. So as per the Shopkick app, it doesn't say that you have to buy those 8-packs. So if you just buy 1 can of these for $1, submit to Shopkick if you have the $6.50 or the $7.50 rebate. I have the $7.50, which is basically $3. It makes this guy free plus a $2 money maker. Now, for a lot of you who are like, do you have a referral code to sign up with Shopkick? Sorry guys, I don't, not at this time, but check your page in your Shopkick app. If you have the $6.50 or $7.50, this is a free can of fizzy water and a money maker too. So how fantastic is that? So loving these little Walmart dealios. Okay, so just a quick little weather report for you guys. It is kind of a chilly one. We actually have our furnace on this morning, a little bit of frost, and enjoying Labor Day. So my husband and I did go do a little bit of yard sailing yesterday, and we might tomorrow as well. Of course, socially distancing, stuff with tables and masks and all that stuff, and gloves, and just being extra safe. But I'm going to show you some of my finds at the end if you like. You know, and I'm always looking for food and stuff that I can do like a decades old unboxing, including this little kimono I found. So I'm going to show you that at the end, just a little yard sale thing. So if you missed it, yesterday I made a video. Coupon John sent me a whole bunch of inserts. I've broken them up into, listen to this guys, that's a lot. Look at the thickness of that. I'm going to send them priority. This is going on right up until tomorrow. I'm going to pick the 3 winners. You're going to get identical inserts. And to sweeten the pot, oh, and this is my new sticker as well. So 3 lucky winners will get like this many inserts, including the Tide. And then I'm also going to throw in for one of you a $15 Domino's gift card. And I'm going to show you how I did this deal too to get this really inexpensive. So if you want to be in the running for this, please check out the video that I posted yesterday. It is not with this video, and all of the information is in there. And also it'll be linked at the very end. Not this video, but yesterday's video. That's how you enter. So how fantastic is that? So we're also even throwing in a little pizza party too. Okay, so let's talk about Walgreens. Now, I made a video on Friday about the Edge and the Foamy that I thought it might be buy one, get one 50% off. It absolutely is not. They're the regular price. The razors are buy one, get one 50% off. And somebody went into my store and cleared all of the foamies because there was a little foam one and then these little guys. So what I did was I just changed my order around, and a lot of you were telling me in the comments, you're like, hey, guess what? There's a dollar peely on these. So we have one digital and then this dollar peely that you can utilize for the deal, making it a much better deal. So keep your eyes out for that. It's either on the display or it will be in the regular shaving aisle. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I had to change my deal around because I couldn't find exactly what I was trying to do. So as you guys know, we have that 5 off of 20 and it's working perfectly. I did it this morning. And so first thing this morning, a 4 off of 2 coupon. 2 of them showed up in my folder. And this is when you buy one of these, for $3.99, you buy 2 of them for $7.98. Use the 4 off of 2, you'll get back 4,000 points, and you can use points for that. So I, in fact, went and did that with my $20 basket, and it worked perfectly. Advantageous for me to just bulk up on this because when you buy 2 of these, you get back 2,000 points. And a lot of you were pointing out to me, you're like, hey, on the display, there's this dollar peely. Now, the peely, because it is a Schick one, you can only use 2 of them. However, we have 1 digital. So there you have that. The cashier saw the peely and scanned one. No, she scanned 2 of them and then she just grabbed a 3rd one and scanned it. So that's out of my control. And for the 4th one, I'm like, no, don't scan it because I didn't want to get any trouble with you guys. But just, this was $11.96, 1 digital, and then I had 3 peelies. 1 I didn't give to her, she just scanned. So $4 came off. And then I paid the balance and then got back 4,000 points. So that's not bad. And these are, again, not ringing up BOGO 50% off. And then my basket with these 6 items, guys, I was short from hitting that $20 price point. So I grabbed this little candy bar to get my basket right to 20 bucks. And this was 69 cents on sale this week. So looking at this, using the 5 off of 20, we're gonna go through the math for this. 4 of these edges is $11.96. $7.98 for these 2, and then 69 cents for that, for a subtotal of this basket of $20.63. And I handed over 2 peelies, and then the cashier grabbed the other one from the can, so that's out of my hands. Plus I had 1 digital for this one, and then I had a 4 off of 2 for this, and then a 5 off of 20 for the basket. I was left with paying, I also used 5,000 points. So I paid $3 and some change, and then I got back 4,000 for this, and then 4,000 for this, 2,000, 2,000, 4,000. So it basically made my transaction 100% free, and I'm fine with that. And as I stated earlier, somebody had cleared the little foams from my store, so I couldn't even do that deal. And then I would rather get shave gels than toothpaste because we get so much toothpaste that I don't even want to look at another tube of toothpaste right now. But just a stupendous little deal, and sometimes you have to get creative and move things around when things don't go your way, and this is just a little example of that. Another fantastic little deal. Shout out to Dawn's Deals here on YouTube and Instagram. You'll buy 2 gift cards for $15 each, and then get the cashier to put $10 on this one. And then what you will end up paying is $30. You will have to pay for these 2 and then get this guy for free, and that's a weekly promotion. So you're getting $45 of gift cards for $30. So this is great. And as stated earlier, one of these will be put into my giveaway. I think Mr. Coupon John will be sent this. And then I'm absolutely going to use this in the future myself. Now here's a fun little deal on the Revlon. Many of you posted this, and I think Too Bright Saver mentioned this too. These little Revlon Kiss Bombs, they're $4.99 on the nose. With tax here in Michigan, they're $5.29. I used 5,000 points, paid like 29 cents, big spender. And then I got this $8 on your next order. As you can see, guys, this coupon does not expire until the 26th of September. Hopefully I don't lose it. And we have a beauty event next week, so I'll definitely be able to put these to good use. So it's like a $3, you know, an extra $3 on this coupon after everything is said and done. And I did this, you'll have to do it in separate transactions. So I did transaction 1, transaction 2, transaction 3, and I got 24 bucks of these coupons that I'm going to use for the beauty event. Like, how fantastic is that? And then I also tracked down 2 of these. They are on a BOGO 50% off. Either the Scott's toilet paper, paper towel, or Kleenex. My store was cleared of Kleenex. I wanted to get Kleenex. It's a little 75 center back with the Fetch app, but unfortunately I didn't I couldn't track one down. 2 of these is $7.50, and then I threw one of these into the mix. So my new subtotal was $12.49. I used $10 in points, paid $2.49, and got one of these $8 for my next little order, for my next little shopping trip for Revlon. So guys, not a bad little haul. I know it's not terribly exciting, but the good news is that that 5 off of 20 is in fact working. You can use points with it, and this is just a fire little deal. And let's not forget, these are not ringing up BOGO 50% off, as I thought maybe, but they are not. So that was Walgreens, and not a bad little deal. If I were you, I would absolutely head out to Walmart to try to do that fantastic deal with the Klondike bars and the AHA. I mean, those are just 2 fire deals. So how great is that? Guys, so as I stated earlier, my husband and I went and hit a couple yard sales, and this lady had a really cool sale. I always like buying antique-y kind of stuff. So I found this little, I asked my mom yesterday, I showed her this on video chat. I'm like, what is this? Is this a geisha? Is it a Maiko? And my mom said it was a Maiko before training, so a very young girl. And I think this is actual real human hair. It's such a beautiful little doll, so I thought maybe I would just put that somewhere in our living room or something. Look, wherever you move, she's staring at you. I don't know. Maybe she'll come to life in the middle of the night or something, but I thought she was really cute. Her hands have been through better days too, but I just couldn't leave her at that yard sale, so I bought her, you know, and it was $4. And then I found a bunch of these like really old food around the winter time, like around Christmas time. I like doing like opening decades old. This is a very old Jell-O, 2 different seasonings. I know Mrs. Empty Nester sometimes watches my videos. Janet, do you know these products, or would have a, I'll have to look at the packaging, but would you have any idea of when they're from? Because Janet just knows everything about everything. And then I found this really old bar of soap, and it is from World War II. Oh, this was, I think, like $8 or $9 for these 3. And then this was $4 for this bar of soap. And this is from World War II. This is a really old bar of Ivory soap. And again, I want to do like, let's open one from today and then one from a really long time ago. So this is, I think, 70 years old. So how cool is that? And then I found these, and I thought it was a really old find as well. And I was like, oh my gosh, I only paid $3 for it, so it's not the end of the world. They're from 2008, so, you know, I wish it was from like a long time ago, but it just doesn't happen. So, and my husband actually almost opened one. He thought it was just from the store, and I'm like, don't drink those. But maybe I'll just keep them for many, many years and then open them one day. I don't know, I just find this stuff kind of interesting. And when it's in a bottle too like this, they get preserved a lot longer. So maybe I'll find a place for it in my stockpile room. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.